I'm yet again 3D printing. I'm having yet another go at the ZN stop. This time I'm using a different kind of print software. I've had a go with IdeaMaker. Now IdeaMaker was a little odd. The first thing was that it actually selected the wrong extruder. So now for the Ormerod, it actually calls this extruder 1 and everything else calls it extruder 0. There is a place where you can tell IdeaMaker to do a post-process, so I'm going to be post-processing the T0 commands to T1. It does, although it has those other problems, it does set the extruder into the right mode, the absolute mode, so it didn't have the initial problem that the default Cura profile had before I started fiddling with that. So this is ever so slightly over-extruded, I think. I can see the blobbiness at the bottom. It may be good enough to do the replacement, but I'll see. I'm only at the second layer. This is also incredibly slow. So the other problem I've got, if you can see the screen, is there's a place here with estimations that I get from the Duet software. And the problem with those estimations is it's making no sense on this machine. It's saying 6 hours. I was expecting 3 hours. It's not able to do anything on filament usage and layer time because at this point in time it's only on the third layer. Now these layers are taking an incredible amount of time. It is very slow. So I'm kind of willing to give it a go as an alternative to Cura because I've heard people are getting better results with it than Cura. But so far it's not quite working for me. That may be that I've got to tweak its settings more and maybe it'll be worth persevering. But right now it's not looking right.